Okay, welcome to my Power BI lesson. In this lesson, I will say something about Power Query, use parameter, invoke function, and M language to add custom fields. Okay, let's begin. I get date from Excel, and I will use this table to test. I open it and I check it. You can see there has a field. It's just a date. There are some date in it, and I transfer date. Then what is my need? I need to add a column. Add this data is the full month 4. So I need the in this month first day, in this month last day, and this is month 2, and this month first day, this month last day, and this month days in this month, and year and month, and all these parameter I need 2. So what can I do? I can create a function, then use this function to fill it auto, and this function can use to another place. So it's very easy. So I new a blank query to use M language to write click advanced edit, and in this here I will write something, and let I named a function just get more columns of months of date equal. This is input, the function's input, just your date, and this is lambda expression, and let in this letting I will do the function. If you don't know the M language, you can learn some M languages knowledge in the internet. I will demo it. You will see it's a very nice thing. You will see the result is very good, and I can use this data to do something. First I get the year, year 等于 date 点 year. You can use table too, and your date. So I get the year, then I get the month, date, month, your date. So I get the month, and I can get the first day. But in M language, you must first combine the first data text, then convert to date. So first day text equal this year text from year. I convert the year because the year is integer, so I convert to a text, and connect to connect to minus, and connect the text from months, and connect minus 01. This is the first day, and I convert this to the date. So my first day equals Date.From.Text, Firstday text. So first day I have get it, then I get the last day. If I want last day, because year I have, and I have months, so I need the last day. I need the days in the month, so I do something. First I get the months, days in the month, days of months equals date days in months, and set this first day. So I get the days month. So I can combine the last day's text equal year text from year, connect minus, connect text from months, connect minus, and connect text from the days of months. So this is the last day's text, and I convert to date, convert it to type date type. So last day equals date from text last day. Oh, text. Now I combine this. I need thing to records, and return these records. So I made a records. So I records 1 equals records add fields. I make a blank records, and the first column is first day, and the value is first day, and record 2 equals record add fields. Now I can add to this records. So this records records 2 will have two columns. The second column I named it last day, and the value is last day. And I can add some other things. So record 3 equals record add fields, record 2, and year. I add year. You can use graphic to do it, but now I can add to it just a demo. And record 4 equals record add fields, and record 3. The third means months, and the value is months, and the last is the days in the months. Result record 5. This is the last record. Record add fields, record 4, and this column I named it months or days in months, and the value is this days of months, days of months. Okay, this is all. So I can return the record file, and this is all. And in the outer in, I can test it, get more columns. I can input a date to test it. I just input Date.From.Text. I input 2020 today's date. Okay, I test it. Okay, you can see there will return 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 column. You can see it. You can see I input the for today 4/11. The first day is 1, the last day is 30, and this is year, this is month, this is days in the month. So I can return this, but now I must use parameter to use it. I can't direct import it. So what can I do? I can home and manage a parameter and new parameter. I will create a parameter, just means your date. Your date is a parameter. Your date 1, and type as date, and the default. I can input a default today. You can enter anything, just a date you can enter. Okay, and in this query, I will use this parameter, your date 1. What can I do? I just home and enter the ones edit, and in this here, I will input your date 1 to it. So in here, your date 1 to it. So this become a parameter, and I convert it to a do. This is the same. Okay, and then I right click query 1 and create function. And the function name just means get advance column of date, and okay. So I create a function. What I can use it? I can use in this table. In this table, I can just this table to expand this, add 5 columns to this table for a second, 2 seconds. So I add a column. This is the invoke custom function. I can invoke this function to expand this column, because this is date column. This is a parameter, and explain the first day, last day, days, year, month, and such. So I invoke custom function, and new column means dates, and the function, and use column, use this column as input value. Okay, you can see this is a return value, and I expand it, and don't use prefix, and you can see this is the result. So I expand this column to 5 columns, and in a minute do it, and in another table you can do it again, just very easily. The complex thing is you must write some advanced query. This query is you using M to write it. So this is my demo. This is my demo. Perhaps you like it. Thank you for watch.